Hello students, welcome to my online class. In our previous class, we have seen consistency of the system and inconsistency of the system, and also procedure to find solutions of a system of linear equations in 2 or 3 variables by using inverse of a matrix. This is the procedure of previous class. So what is consistency of the system? If determinant of A not equals to 0, that means if A is a non-singular matrix, then A inverse exists. A inverse for matrix A. So A inverse, this is unique. This is unique for matrix A. So this is unique target. So solutions exist for system of linear equations are also what? Unique. So terms unique solutions are stated. Okay. Inconsistent system if determinant of A equal to 0, if A is a singular matrix, solutions does not exist. Our system is inconsistent. Okay. So in this session, we will see solutions for your NCERT exercise 4.6. Okay. Exercise 4.6. Examine the consistency of the system of equations. Consistency is if determinant of A equal to A not equal to 0, the system is called consistent. Otherwise, it is inconsistent. Okay. Solution. Let A equal to matrix A in it contains the coefficient of x, y, z. We will two variables. Okay, two variables. So first equation x coefficient 1 is the second equation y coefficient 2 is that. Second equation x coefficient 2, y coefficient 3. This is our matrix A. Okay. So this determinant of check. So determinant A equals to 3 minus 2 into 4. This is minus 1. Minus 1 is this determinant of A not equals to 0. Determinant of A not equals to 0. This is what A inverse exists. Right? Not singular. A inverse exists. A inverse exists hence given system of equations is consistent. So again, given system of equations is consistent. Okay. Second solution. Let A equal to coefficient of x and y 2 illi minus 1 illi 1 and 1. The determinant of A equals to 2 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So this is 2 minus 1 minus plus I 1 and this is 3, which is also not equals to 0. 3 not equals to 0. This also implies what? A inverse exists. This implies what? A inverse exists. A inverse exists then system is consistent. This is very hence given system of equations is consistent. Okay. Third one, same solution. Let A equal to coefficient of x 1. This is 3. This is 2. This is 6. Okay. Now determinant of A equals to 6 minus 6, which is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Determinant of A is 0. So A inverse does not exist. This implies what? A inverse does not exist. A inverse exists. So A inverse exists. Hence, given system of equations is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay. fourth one ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 variables ಇದೆ x y z ಇದು solution let a equal to coefficient of x 1 coefficient of y is 1 coefficient of z is 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ first equation second equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 3 2 second third equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ a 2a okay coefficient of x y z determinant of a ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ x1 ನ ಆರಾಮ 1 into 6a minus 2a next is minus 1 into 4a minus 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 3a okay this equals to 1 into 1 repeated 6a minus 2a this is 4a minus 4a minus 2a this is 2a this is plus into minus 2a minus 3a minus a okay plus and minus minus this is 4a minus 3a this equals to a which is also not equals to 0 a is a constant number which is also not equals to 0 hence a inverse is exist so a means exist that system is hence given system of equations is consistent system ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ system is consistent okay not bad next fifth one 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 2 2y minus z equal to minus 1 3x minus 5y equal to 3 okay solution let a equal to x into 3 then y minus 1 z minus 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 0 x square ಇಲ್ಲ 0 this is 2 this is minus 1 3 minus 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ z ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 okay now determinant of a equals to exponent around 3 into 0 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 into plus and minus again minus okay ಇದು plus minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 1 into this side plus this side minus plus okay 0 minus or minus plus 3 next one minus 3 into 0 minus 6 so 3 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3 here minus 2 into minus 6 so minus 15 plus 3 plus 12 so minus 15 plus 3 plus 12 negative 0 so determinant of a is 0 means a inverse does not exist a inverse does not exist means system is inconsistent system is inconsistent okay inconsistent because determinant of a equal to 0 sixth one solution let a equal to 5 minus 1 this is 4 2 3 5 minus 2 6 determinant of a 5 into 18 minus of minus plus 10 ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus plus 1 into 12 minus 25 okay next one plus 4 into minus 4 minus 15 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು 5 into 28 plus 1 into 12 minus 25 minus 13 plus 4 into minus 4 minus 15. This is minus 19. 528. 140 करते हैं. This is minus 13. This is minus 76. 140 minus just like that 89. 89 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus 51, which is also not equals to 0. So this implies what? Determinant of A is not equals to 0. So A inverse is exists. A inverse exists and system is consistent. System is consistent. Okay. Now, next question. Solve system of linear equations using matrix method. Using matrix method ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to A inverse into B ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So A inverse is given by 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay. So first 7 ಕಂಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 5x plus 2y to 3 ಇದೆ. 7x plus 3y to 5 ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Let matrix A ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ coefficient of x and y. So coefficient of x 5, this is 2, 7 and 3. This is matrix A. Matrix X ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So variables ಈ x ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು variables number of variables ಎರಡು variables x ಮತ್ತೆ y. Then matrix B ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ constant terms ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 3 5 over. So now we have to find determinant of A value. Determinant of A value, this is 5 into 3, 15 minus 7 into 14. This is 1, which is not equal to 0. For not equal to 0, A inverse is exists. Therefore, A is not singular. Otherwise, A inverse exists. Not singular. A not singular. ಇವಾಗ adjoint of A find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Adjoint of A. So 2 by 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ adjoint of A find ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು? Just interchange the diagonal elements. 3 5. Next one, change the sign of non-diagonal. -2 -7. We know that x equal to A inverse into B. Okay, another A inverse formula you know, this is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. So this is the formula for A inverse. So you have a substitute formula, right? So 1 by determinant of A plus 1. So 1 by 1. So adjoint of A is 3 minus 2 minus 7. This is 5 into B. B is 3 into 5. Multiply 1 by 1 is 1. Multiply. So x equal to next step multiply 3 into 3 9 minus 10. Okay, minus 7 into 3 minus 21 plus 5 into 5 25. So x equal to here equal to minus 1 plus 4. So x is nothing but variables. So this implies x y equals to minus 1 4. If two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements are also equal. So this implies x equal to minus 1 and y equals to 4. This is the solution. Okay. No. Next, 8th one. Say let A equal to coefficient of x in there 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 3 4. Next x variables is x y ಎರಡು variables and b b ಅಂದ್ರೆ constant terms constant terms, minus 2, 3, minus 2. Okay, same procedure. First again, determinant of a from the determinant of a. This is 8 minus of minus plus again 3, which is 11, not equals to 0. So therefore, A is non-singular, non-singular. Otherwise, A inverse is exists. Okay. Next thing what we go? Adjoint of A family. Adjoint of A family. Interchange the diagonal elements. 4 to change the sign of non-diagonal. Minus to that plus, plus to that minus. Okay. We know that. So we have to find the value of x. X equal to A inverse into B. Already A inverse formula was there. 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B as it is. Okay. So illustration x equal to 1 by determinant of A is there 11 into adjoint of A is there 4 1 minus 3 2 into B minus 2 3. Okay, multiply 1 by 11 again put it. 4 into minus 2, this is minus 8 plus 3 into 1 into 3, this is 3. This is 6 plus 6. 1 by 11 into minus 5 plus 12. X equals to 11. X equal to 1 by 11 into minus 5 12 by 2. So x is negative. X is equal to variables x, y, which is equals to 1 by 11 into minus 5 12. This implies what? So x equal to Euler's multiplied to minus 5 by 11 and y equal to 12 by 11. So these are the values. Not bad. Next, 9th one. 4x minus 3y equal to 3 and 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Okay. Solution. Let a equal to 4 minus 3 minus 5 over 10. So x equals 4 variables x and y, and b equals to constants 3 minus 7. Okay. So first finding determinant of a. Determinant of a equals to minus 20. So minus into minus 0. Minus minus plus again 9. This is equals to minus 11, which is not equals to 0. This implies what? A is non-singular. Non-singular A inverse exists agate. Okay, A is non-singular. Next, find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A can just interchange the diagonal elements. Minus 5 will 4. Change the sign of non-diagonal. Plus 3 again to minus 3 again. Okay. We know that. So x equal to A equals to B. Already A is formula with that. So 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. Okay. This equals to 1 by determinant of A there. Minus 11 into adjoint of A there. Minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4 into B. B value is 3 and 7. Okay, minus 7 so x equal to minus 1 by 11 multiply 1. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15 plus 3 into 7. So 21. Next to minus 3 into minus plus 3. Minus 9 plus 4 into 7. 28. This equals to minus 1 by 11 into 6. This is 19. So we accelerate x and y, that equals to minus 1 by 11 and y equal to minus 19 by 11. These are the two values. Note down. Next to 10 mark. Solution. Let a equal to 5, 2, 3, 2. Then x total is there. X and y, two variables. B is constant terms. 3 मतलब 5. Okay. Question is determinant of x control. Determinant of a equals to 10 minus 6. This is 4, which is 1 equals to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular. Non-singular and then A inverse is exists. Okay. Next term, adjoint of A from above. Adjoint of A. Interchange 2, 5 we want to change the sign, minus 2, minus 3. We know that x equal to A inverse into B. Okay. A was found by 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. So 1 by determinant of A is there. 1 by 4 into adjoint of A is there. 2 minus 2 minus 3 5 into B. B value is there. 3 5. Okay. Multiply 1 to the next one. X equal to 1 by 4 into multiply 3 into 6 minus 10. 6 minus 10. Next one. Minus 9 plus 25. This equals to 1 by 4 into this is minus 4 plus 16. Okay, this is 1 by 4 into minus 4. 4 for cancel again. This is minus 1. So 16 by 4 is 4. So x is nothing but what? Variables x and y. This implies x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 4. Okay. Now, next one, 11th one. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1 and x minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 3. 3y minus 5z equal to 9. X coefficient for Pillar. Okay. So, solution noted. Let a equal to coefficient of x, y, z. First equation only 2, 1, 1. Second equation only 1, minus 2, minus 1. X is 0 here. Y 3 there. Z minus 5. Okay. So x equals to 3 variables. X, y, and z. And b and the constant terms. 1, 3 by 2 and 9. This is B. Same procedure. First point, determinant of A. Determinant of A 2 into 10 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 5 minus 0 plus 1 into 3 minus 0. Okay, this is 2 into 30 minus 1 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3. So this is 26 plus 5 plus 3. Right? 31 plus 3. 34, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular. Means A inverse is exists. Next, we have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A for 3 by 3 only. First, we have to find the cofactors. Cofactors from A11 is plus, A12 is minus, A13 is again plus, A21 minus, A22 plus A23 minus A31 plus, okay, A32 minus A32 plus. Okay, 5 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. co-factors ಅನ್ನ A11 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, plus 10 plus 3. This is 13. Correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. Is it 1 to 2 minus 5 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus plus 5 A13 3 minus 0 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A21 value here value row ಮತ್ತೆ column ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3, so minus 8 into minus plus 8. Okay, A22 minus 10 0 minus 10 0 plus into minus minus 10. A23 6 minus 0 6 plus into minus minus 6. Next to A31 yellow minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 ಎಷ್ಟು plus 1. A32 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into minus plus 3. A33 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, this is minus 5. So adjoint of A equals to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ, adjoint of A equals to A11 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 13, this is 5 3 8 minus 10 minus 6 1 3 minus 5. So this is what adjoint of A. Next, we know that x equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. So this equals 1 by determinant of A is that. This is 1 by 34. Adjoint of A is 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5 into B. 1, 3 by 2 and 9. Okay, multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ. This equals to 1 by 34 as it is. 13 into 1 is 13 plus 8 into 3 by 2, 24 by 2, this is 12, 10 plus 9. ಮುಗಿತು. Next 5 minus 10 into 3, 30 by 2 minus 15 plus 27. Next 3 minus 6 into 3, 18 by 2, 9 minus 45. This equals to 1 by 34 into 25 plus 4. 34 minus 10 plus 27, 17 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is minus 54 minus 54 minus 51 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇದು? 34 by 34 1, 17 by 34 1 by 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ, 51 this is minus 3 by 2. Okay, 17 17 3s are 17 2s are, so minus 3 by 2. So x and y now x, y, z. So this implies x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2, z equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now next 12th one. X minus y plus z equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0. X plus y plus z equal to 2. Okay. So here again 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Okay. So variables of x y z. Constant terms are there. 4 0 2. Next we have to find determinant of a. Determinant of a is there. 1 into 3, sorry, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3, so it's minus 2 minus plus again, 1 into 2 plus 3 plus 1 into 2 minus 1, okay, 1 into 4 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 1, so this is 4 plus 5 plus 1, this is 10, which is not equal to 0. So A is non-singular. Okay. Next we have to find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A again, A11 plus A12 minus A13 plus A21 minus A22 plus A23 minus A31 plus A32 minus A33 plus alternative plus minus plus minus. Okay. Note here what is 1 minus of minus plus 3 into 4 this 2 minus, so minus plus again, plus 5 plus and minus minus. Okay. Next is 2 minus 1, 1. Next A2 another minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus and minus plus 2. A2 to 1 minus 1, 0. A3 to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2 आता है, this is minus 2. A31 plus 3 minus 1, 2 आता है. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, this is plus 5. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. So adjoint of A equals to adjoint of A equals to 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. Okay. Next, we know that x equal to A inverse into B. So this is one by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. So this is one by determinant of A is there, that is 10. Adjoint of A 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3 into B and then 4 0 2. Okay. Multiply 1 by 10 into 16 plus 0 plus 4. Okay. Minus 20 plus 0 plus 10. Next one 4 plus 0 plus 6. So I got 1 by 10 into This is 20 minus 10, 10. So x on the end, this is nothing but x, y, z. Okay, this implies x equal to 20 by 10. X value is 1 by 10. So 20 by 10 is 2. So x value 2 आगता है. अथवा ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಒಳಗಡೆ 2 minus 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಈ ಕಡೆ x, y, z. So this implies x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. These values, no doubt. Next question, 31. 2x plus 3y plus 3 equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4. 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. Okay. So let A and the coefficient of x, y, z. So x is 3 variables, B is constant terms. So we have to check determinant of A. Determinant of A is 2 into plus 4 plus 1. This is minus 3 into minus 2 minus 3. Then plus 3 into minus 1 plus 6. Okay. This is 2 into 5 minus 3 into minus 5 plus 3 into 5. 10 plus 15 plus 15. This is 40. A here determinant of A not equal to 0. So A is singular. So A is singular at that. So A no service on that. Adjoint of it form again. A11 plus A12 minus A13 plus A21 minus A22 plus A23 minus A31 plus A32 minus A33 plus 1. Okay. A1 plus 4 plus 1 5. A12 इधर minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus minus plus again plus 5. A13 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1 plus 6 5 again. Okay, next to A21 between minus 6 plus 3 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 minus minus plus 3. Okay, A22 minus 4 minus 9 minus 4 minus 9 minus 29. Okay. A23 minus 2 minus 9. So minus 11 minus minus plus again plus 11. A31 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, this is 9. A32 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, so minus 1 minus 1 minus plus 1. A33 minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3, this is minus 7. So adjoint of A is correct. Adjoint of A equals to 5 A1 is also 5 3 minus 13, this is 11 9, this is 1, this is minus 7. So this is your adjoint of A. Next one, we know that x equal to A inverse into B, that is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B, that is 1 by 40, determinant of A is 1 by 40, adjoint of A is 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11, minus 7 into B value 5 minus 4 3. Okay, so 1 by 40 as it is Multiply what will you? 25 minus 12 plus 27. 25 plus 52 plus 3 25 minus 44 minus 21. This side will be 1 by 40 into this is 25 minus 12, 13. 13 plus 27. This is 40. 25 plus 52 plus 3 is 55. 55 5 60 and 20. This is 80. This is 65. 65 minus 25 minus 40. Why are we multiplying? 40 by 40 is 1. 80 by 40 is 2. Minus 40 by 40 is minus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but x, y, z. Okay. X, y, z. So this implies x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to minus. Okay. Not